Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download Facebook video in easy and fast way. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. You guys have to just simply don't worry about it and simply open up Facebook app on your mobile phone and simply open up the video which you want to download. So after opening up that video, you have to just simply click on the three dots of the video. So assume that this is the video and you have to just simply click on the top right corner of three dots of the video, and here you have to just simply select the option which is copy link. So after copying the link of that specific video, now you have two options. The first one is you have to just simply download the application to download the videos for Facebook, and if you don't want to use the application and you want to download through browser, then you guys can use the second method. So we will go through the first method. In the first method, you have to just simply open up Google Play Store. So after opening up your Play Store, you have to simply search for Facebook Video Downloader. So after searching for the Facebook Video Downloader, so there are lots of applications here. You guys can download any one of the application, and application requires your video's URL. You have to just simply paste the copied URL which you have copied earlier. So after pasting that URL, it will ask you for download button, and you have to simply select the quality of the video and select the download, and it's pretty easy. But I'm gonna tell you another an easy method. So if you want to avoid the downloading method, so you have to just simply head over to the browser. So after opening up any of your browser, you have to just simply search for Facebook Video Downloader. So after searching for Facebook Video Downloader, it will provide you lots of websites. You guys can open up any of the website. So I'll suggest you to open up the SnapSave website. So after opening up the website, you have to just simply paste the video URL by just holding on here in the box and select the paste, and you have to just simply click on download button. In the application, it will be same interface like here. So after tapping on that, here you guys can see it is asking you for quality of the video. So if you want the video in higher quality, you have to just simply select the above, which is 720p, is HD. And if you don't want HD and you want in standard, so you have to just simply select the second option, which is 360p, and you have to just simply select the download button, which is right next to quality. So you have to just simply download any of the one. I'm just downloading the standard one and click on download. So it will provide you some advertisement, and you guys can see our downloaded has been started. So after successfully downloading, you guys can see it is downloading, and in this way you guys can download any video from the Facebook in very easy and fastest way. So I hope these methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.